What's up? You look good. You look good, buddy. You look cool, buddy. Just let that drop off of your face, man. Hmm? Let that drop off of your face, buddy.
Reverse. 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 Where are we going? I'm gonna make you want this then? Baby? Baby? Huh? Baby? You're the baby now? Are you the baby? Are you baby Ami? Oh, baby Ami. Baby. It's for baby. Look, it's for baby.
You want your brother's soda. Oh, you need soda?
Yeah, so
And you want your brother bottle.
I'm gonna go and make him breakfast now. You want fried egg?
I make you a big boy now.
Fried egg? He doesn't. He just likes the kids. He's still a kid. He likes to just suck on it. I don't know. I'm gonna make you fried egg, okay? Egg, 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 egg. You want the egg? You want egg? You want egg? Look at how Azaf is looking at you. Like, is he really using my stuff right now? Huh?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. It's another weekend, guys, and last weekend this time we were in Montego Bay enjoying ourselves. No kids, just Alicia and I, having a lot of fun. But this week, still fun, guys. Still fun. What I'm doing? Giving us a hard time with this potty training, guys. A real hard time. Everybody use the potty, please. Hey, Azaf say, hey, what's up? Hey, looking at mommy. Alicia inside cooking breakfast. She's making ackee and saltfish and food, ground food, yam and bananas and all those things. Oh, babe, we have more banana downstairs. I need to go pick some. Need to go cut some bananas, guys, from my farm. Say hello. Say what's up. Say what's up. Say what's up, buddy. Say what's up.
Sweet potato and Irish potato together for me.
Oh, it's fine. Amik is doing his swimming lessons, guys. I can't let him see us because he will be distracted, as usual, want to show off. So we'll let him do his swimming lessons and learn his thing. Alicia is watching Divorce Court. For what? Why are you trying to figure out how to divorce me? Yeah, try to learn how to divorce me.
The show is so funny. The people on it with their stories. It's very funny. A little ratchet TV never killed anybody.
So we're supposed to be going to Elsha today to grab some delicious fish. Some real nice escovitch, some fried fish and steamed fish. Curry lobster. Your chest eye. Your chest eye. Yeah guys, so that should be fun. Looking forward to that. Yeah, we'll be headed out there soon. You know, just waiting for the breakfast to digest. You know, and give us a chance to get hungry again. When we get hungry, then we will go.
Hey.
Where am I doing?
No, you're trying to climb the thing that's put on.
I make too.
Do you see the sweat?
Yeah, I make too.
You want switch?
What you doing, sir? What are you doing, sir? You playing with the car? You don't know which car to play with, huh?
Oh my god, that's so pretty.
I mean, there's no way you can fit in your brother's chair.
I mean, you can break it. You can come on.
Amik, you in the stock? Lord God, in my shoe.
You can't fit.
Alright.
Get out, you know.
Yeah, man, I play hero.
Beast mode.
Beast mode. What I'm telling you?
Man, so fans, I'm for Safa Powell. You know, saying forward this evening still. As you know, like, you know, subscribe. Alicia and Safa, but I'm forward tonight, people, and run some 150s and right now. I'm dead. I'm vomit. Oh.
Oh, gosh. You want the bam bam? Oh gosh. Man say you want to chill with the big boys. You done workout?
Done. Trying
What
to
did-
get some six pack. You know?
Six
Tryna,
pack.
Get bikini body ready for Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day and an anniversary. Valentine's Day and anniversary are come up ready.
Trying to get trying to get the body like looking.
What is
They already know what it is. Trying to give in.
You know the thing go?
Want to bam bam.
As you guys can see, we're trying to get some workout done. Get some workout done.
More like it's done.
Yeah, try get, well, done. The workout done. Done. Man, but not pain. Yeah.
It's all about activating beast mode, you know.
Yeah. You're paying up, boss.
Yeah, remember, say, right, every machine needs servicing. And tonight,
Yo, I'm first missing somebody I mash up some brother. Yo, I'm first missing mash up, so machine mash up. Beast mode.
machine on service.
Yo, my boy, what is Yo, bro, if I'm seeing man run that front now, 150 there, no man. I hate that, you know.
Yeah, recover.
People, some man never work out tonight, you know.
Who never work out?
Some man,
Eh?
wife alone work out,
Who
you know.
never work out?
Run some
Eh?
fun we do still, but the weekend did. Yeah.
He's jogging.
Now I lie to you. So this track and field thing. Left it alone.
Yeah, man, I believe this track thing alone.
Definitely not. I'm not interested at all. I'm allergic.
Yo, this
Like
whole
and subscribe, isn't it?
this whole track thing, I don't know, my brother.
Like and subscribe, people.
I'm bored. It's on East mode.
East, not
East is
East.
not even going to East.
We actually went to Elsha, but we didn't get to video anything. It was a bit,
It was very crowded.
Yeah.
A bit it was.
it was a bit too crowded, so didn't want to, flick out the camera and, have people in the camera, probably somebody hiding and all them things.
I didn't know. Yeah, privacy purpose.
Yeah, but yeah, it was a bit crowded, so we got distracted, by the
And
crowd.
we were hungry,
Yeah.
actually. We were hungry too. So all of that was involved in us not
Vlogging.
eating.
Vlogging anything, but the food was great. If y'all were wondering, the food was great, was delicious. So like Amit. I think Amit got that thing, Amit get that lip sync thing from you, What's that? Why was that a while ago?
I was talking, you didn't hear? You need
No.
to get yours checked. 'Cause
No.
I definitely.
Yeah man. Yeah man. But yeah guys, from that that last video that we posted and when Alicia was talking about baby. Alicia don't want no baby guys. So she was talking about bring that girl, you better give me that girl. But baby. She don't want no baby guys. She don't want no baby. She
Where's little
wanted
Sissy Pooh?
she wanted a girl baby, but
Sissy Pooh. Little
Sissy
Sissy
Pooh.
Pooh.
somebody said Ami can Azaf go and protect them little sister.
Sissy Pooh.
Sissy Pooh. I'd love to see that. I would love to see that.
Oh, God.
Alright guys, we're gonna go home now and bathe. You bathe?
I know I am, but
Maybe.
his
I'm gonna
10-second showers are not really like, how do you wash your car in 10 seconds? No. So why do you not have that same love for your body?
Guys, see my wife I try a thing. She try a thing in it, but no, my bathe good. I bathe every single part of my body.
Guys, 10-second showers, by the
10
time he
second
says-
what?
in and
That's
out.
why I mean if that's the case, that's why my name is Sub 10 King.
In and out. But when it
Yeah.
comes to his car, it's really like, he doesn't treat his body that way. He just comes out dry foot, dry everything, doesn't even lotion up his body.
It can't be talking about me. You talking about me? Talking about me.
His name is Mr.
Talking about me, Willis?
His name is Mr. Dry King. Ash King.
What a wicked and dreadful woman.
Ash King.
Man.
Ashy King.
But
Sub 10
anyways,
Ashy King.
whatever, man. We're gonna go home now, guys. We're gonna go home because I can't do this. We're going home, guys. Get some food and
Yep.
bathe and go sleep. I
He's
mean,
gonna
probably
sleep.
wake up.
I'm gonna read a book. Yeah.
You're reading night. Get
Yeah, I
our
can't
reading
wait
night.
to use it.
Yeah? Can't wait to read.
So I was searching for it before we came. But anyhow, we're ending the vlog.
Yeah.
Alright. Guys, I don't know when they're gonna watch this in the morning, but it's good night. I'm gonna just say good morning and good night to you guys.
Alright, guys. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.